Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I am blessed to have received a Happy Meal before Christmas, actually long before Christmas. I've been a good girl waiting, from Grace Dolls and Toys Thrift or Buy channel. Thank you, Grace, very much. We do not have these near us. We have looked. We've only seen them like 1 or 2 times. And they didn't last. I mean, it was like they had one of those cardboard stands in the middle of the aisle, and they were like 12 bucks. And it's like, you know, I like them, but not that much. However, at Christmas, our farm store, we went in to get feed, and lo and behold, they had these. I think they were $7.98 with 20% off. Darren said I should have got more, but I didn't. Wish I had. So let's open these up and see what I got. I see you guys open these and you make me so jealous. Okay, not jealous. I'm happy for you, make no mistake. But man, I wish we had these here. I like that they come like the, every year at Christmas. In fact, we still have one. Darren and I buy the chocolate orange. Who are they made by, Darren? Can you remember?
I have no idea.
I'm trying to remember. I don't get paid by them anyway, so why should I advertise? But the little orange slices, chocolate candy, and I found some after Christmas. They do keep these tight, don't they? I found some after Christmas and bought those. Oh, there we go. It has a serrated edge over there. Oh, here we go. Thank you, Grace. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is so fun. I do save these for other crafts. Let's see what we got. I'll try to hurry because I know these can get kind of long, but it's exciting for me. Oh, I got the little tiny Frisbee, and I'm excited about it because Frisbee. I used to compete at Frisbee with one of my dogs years ago, a Labrador Retriever. Oh my God. Well, actually 2 of them. Oh, holy cow, that's cute. Look at that hacky sack. Oh my, I know, keep it moving, keep it moving. I can't help it. We don't have these here. I need to stare at it for, oh, look at that. Is that like, oh, what do you call those faces, Darren? The sugar skull-ish? That's cute. I should put my glasses on. These are miniature, and here I am trying to see it with my old lady eyes. Keep it moving. I know. I just want to stop and read them all and play with them, and I'll have to do that off camera. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, those are so cute. Oh, my Blythe dolls. These are so cute. What fun. And oh, and I got that little dinosaur. How does this open? Look at that. I have seen people open these and they say, oh, I'm going to peek in anyway. I know. These are actual little tiny boxes. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's just, I don't know if you can see, it's just part of the dinosaur, which is cute enough for me. Oh gosh, that's cute. Grace, I can't thank you enough. And then here's the list of the stuff you didn't get so that you want to get more. All right, let's do this one. See, oh, here's the zipper. I see people open these and they're really good at it. They have it open in like a minute. Well, a moment. Let's say a moment. You know, a moment, a lot of people don't know this, is 1/4 of a second. When people say, give me a moment, it takes them longer to say that than a moment is. Well,
Just don't break a nail.
my nails are such a mess. I have been crafting and sewing and getting ready for this and getting ready for that. And if I ever catch up, of course I do sneak naps. I go into my living room office and sometimes I, turn on a TV show and put the recliner all the way back. And my dogs love it. It's just nap time for them after lunch. Whether I'm sewing or crocheting or knitting or whatever I'm doing, they don't care. They crawl up beside me and take a nap. Here we go. forgive me for stumbling around. Here we go. Oh, this is fun. This is really fun. Okay, Darren, you were right. Should have got more. Oh, wait till you see this. You're going to want some. Chicken wings. And then here's the list of the stuff that you did not get so that it makes you want to go buy more. I call it the did not get list. Oh my God, look at this. Sizzlers. Oh, Swizzlers, I mean. Oh my God, that's so cute. Oh. I think it is. I don't know what it is, but I'm thinking ice cream. What do you think? Doesn't say ice cream. It's cute though. Whatever it is, my Blythe dolls are gonna love it. I'm gonna turn this around so you can see them. I have made a travel bag for a Barbie doll out of these little containers. I have seen people in dioramas take them. They put the flat part against the wall and then they put flowers in there and plants. Really cute. Oh, Teddy Grahams. Look how tiny that is, like an inch.
It's making me hungry.
Oh no, only one more. Let me do it real slow. No, just kidding. Well, I'm gonna break a nail. You know what? I'm not gonna break a nail. No, I've broken enough nails. Time of year. You know how it is when your nails get brittle. Oh, you're gonna want some of this. This is really cute, but this is more AG doll size. The 1/3 dolls. We have our BJDs that we're building. They will love that. Oh my goodness grace. Thank you. I can't believe I waited this long to open it, but I kept, I had to do this and it was kind of like my reward for getting things done. We're going to link Grace's channel below. Go by and see her channel. She finds the most, you can't even believe what she finds in her Goodwills and other places. And then she takes a lot of dolls and restores them, which I love. That's kind of my thing. Haven't done it in a while, but that's kind of my thing, is to rescue those old, once loved, I call them pre-loved dolls. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.